Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to all of you to the healthy protein store. Green lentil dinner recipe with olive oil. Materials required to cook 100 people: 5 kilograms of green lentils, 1 kilogram of barley noodle, 4 kilograms of tomatoes. One can use canned red pepper or more. Crushed garlic. 4 kilograms of potatoes. 5 pieces of lemon. 1 kilogram of green pepper. 3 kilograms of onions. 2 liters of olive oil. You can use 2 spoon pepper paste, hot pepper, salt, pepper, chili, and some sugar to be used. Soak green lentil in water for a while, then wash with plenty of water. Wash the lentils, which have been washed with cold water. Pour plenty of boiling water and again wash them. Make plenty of boiling water again. Lentils will wait in hot water for the time we prepare other ingredients. Finely chop the onions. Chopped onions will be the same as the lentils. Do not use mixture at this stage. Chop with a knife. Chopped onions will wait in a container ready. Cut the ends of green peppers now. Remove the green pepper seeds. These peppers are not bitter. Finely chop green peppers. Two liters of olive oil in a large and deep pot. Add chopped onions after a little warming of olive oil. When cooking onions, other ingredients will be prepared. Prepare 5 lemon juice, potatoes chopped small cube shape, Canned red peppers chopping. Cook with onion if you use fresh red pepper. Wash tomatoes and remove their ends. Make boiling water to peel the tomatoes. Cover and wait 5 minutes. Check the tomatoes. Add some cold water if you can peel the shells with your hands. Five kilograms of tomatoes ready to be peeled easily, as you can see. Chopped tomatoes. You can help recipes to see and reach more people by liking videos. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks to everyone who supported me on this subject. Chopped tomatoes can wait in a container with water. Onions are cooked on a light fire and then add the chopped green peppers. Add lentils into strainer. Washed several times and kept in boiling water. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add red chili peppers. Add the pepper tomato paste and stir. It is possible to increase the amount of tomato paste a little more. Add green lentils. Add 2 liters of boiling water on average. Add crushed garlic. Add 5 lemon juice and boil a little. Take the foam formed on the dish. Check cooking status of lentils. Add red peppers. Add some sugar. Add potatoes 15 minutes before the dish is cooked. Add chopped tomatoes. When the potatoes are cooked, the lentils must be cooked, not overcooked or undercooked. Lentils is now cooked. Barley noodle, rest for an hour. Barley noodles will cook with the temperature of the dish. We have come to the end of a detailed video description prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched videos and supported me. Goodbye, to see you again in a new recipe video. Thank you so much.